What's up? So if you're watching all this video, so probably you are a garage door business owner doing garage door installations, garage door repair, and stuff like that. So maybe you want to know that how you can scale up your garage door business and get more leads and appointments beside doing door knocking and waiting for word of mouth jobs and AngelList and posting on local groups, and not able to get good stuff. So what is this thing that nobody is talking about on the entire YouTube? What's the thing? Let me tell you. When it's about garage door business, Google doesn't allow to run ads for garage door and locksmith business in America and Canada. And there is a problem because they need a license and proper certifications, and majority of the garage door small businesses doesn't have that. So what is the cheapest and the best way to start getting automated leads and automated inquiries from the homeowners who are looking for garage door repair and installation in their local area? Doesn't matter wherever the area you are from. For example, you are from Houston, Texas, and you are covering entire Houston to offer garage door repair and installation. So how they can, how the Houston homeowners can contact you or can approach you to get their garage door repaired. Doesn't matter if they need spring replacement, opener replacement, cable replacement, and so forth and so forth. Like the first thing we do is Facebook ads. Why Facebook ads? Let me tell you, because for example, if somebody is interested in garage door or garage door repair, so he will always search on Google, on Facebook, or even he or she can text someone, okay? And this is the reason that Facebook catches that person that he is interested in a service related to a garage door. So whenever you run ads on garage door and target the homeowners with the help of Facebook ads, they come to you, they see your ad, okay, so they engage. Hey, yeah, I want garage door service, I want to repair installation, let me contact them. So they contact you on their page, on your page, or on your website. Okay, they drop their contact information and you call them to book an appointment. That's how it goes. Okay, so how and what is the strategy is, so let me tell you. Like, it depends on your own pocket, but the minimum budget you should be having in order to get 3 to 5 leads per day for your own exclusive business leads. Okay, the leads are not shared because you get customers on your Facebook page directly. Okay, you are not buying the leads, it's completely exclusive and automated to you. So how does it goes? It goes in a way that you get the contact details, you call them and book an appointment. So if you are spending approximately $50 a day, so there is a high likely chance that you get approximately 3 to 5 leads per day. So like 1,500 per month, it's like 100 quality leads with the help of Facebook ads for garage door business. It's that easy. So if you want at least 100 leads for your garage door business with the help of Facebook ads without you putting any effort or lifting a finger, you can contact us via one free call, and we can show you that how we are helping other garage door businesses to get at least 100 leads per month with the help of Facebook ads. So it's that easy. It's not a problem at all. And nobody's talking about a Facebook because nobody is aware about that. Everyone is like, do Google, do Yelp, but Facebook has got a lot of potential. Let me tell you, approximately 500,000 people search for garage door business in every state of America. More than 500,000 people. Okay, even on Facebook. So everything got potential. You just need to know that where your potential customer is. We are already helping garage door business owners to get consistent in appointments with the help of hot strategy Facebook ads. You could be the next. Okay, you can book a free one-on-one call and we can show you that how we are helping other businesses. See you in the call. Boom.